CNBC's Valerie Castro is in Philadelphia, where courts are struggling with this backlog. Valerie?
Shep, here in Philadelphia, the district attorney tells me his office is dealing with 11,000 more open cases than they typically handle in a regular year, and he doesn't expect those numbers to go back to pre-pandemic levels until well into next year. That means both victims and those accused of a crime will have to wait it out.
The delays in some courts are well into a year and over a year.
As life stopped in 2020, so did America's justice system. Trials were put on hold, incarcerated defendants contracted COVID-19, and victims' hopes for justice were endlessly delayed. In places like Philadelphia, the caseload is overwhelming.
We went from a normal open caseload of about 27,000 to almost 38,000. It's a real problem. You know, if you're a witness, it's a real problem. If you're a defendant, it's a real problem. If you're a victim, it's a real problem at many levels.
Philadelphia District Attorney Larry Krasner says courts are crawling back to pre-pandemic levels.
It is still spread out and masked. You do not have an audience in that room. You will have an audience in a different room who can see it by video, and the whole purpose of this is to simultaneously make sure the constitutional right of public access is observed, but also to have distance.
Another constitutional right directly impacted, the right to a speedy trial. The pandemic forced criminal defendants to spend more time behind bars, putting a strain on an already overcrowded situation.
It's been challenging. There was a lot of folks which were waiting for their trial.
Dmitry Hadjiev spent more than a year and a half incarcerated at the Federal Detention Center of Philadelphia. He was finally released on bail in March of 2021, awaiting a delayed trial date of May 25th. It never happened.
On May 24th, all the parties showed up ready to proceed, but because this is a trial that may last longer than a week, the trial judge simply couldn't start trial the next day. The trial's been delayed from May to January of next year.
DA Krasner says victims are also struggling.
When you're dealing with someone who has gone through terrible trauma and they're looking for closure, or they're just dreading the moment of being in court and being under oath and having to describe the worst event of their lives, that's just a tough place to be for a very, very long time.
The burden could be eased with the help of federal COVID relief money, but the U.S. Treasury hasn't clarified those funds can be used for this problem, forcing states to try and solve the issue. In Colorado, the Chief Justice is asking the state legislature for financial help.
Jury trials require staff, and conducting jury trials safely during and after a pandemic requires more staff.
And it's not just extra administrative staff that is needed. Some court systems want financial help to hire back retired judges. They feel as though that will help ease the burden in their courtrooms. Other places are finding creative ways to space out jury selection. And in Harris County, Texas, home to Houston, they've been using an arena that's typically reserved for the rodeo to help them do that properly, keep those jurors properly distanced. As for that federal relief money, the U.S. Treasury continues to update its guidance on how it can be used. So many states are hoping that will eventually include the courts. Shep.
Valerie, thanks.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.